My name is Alex Baker. I'm the Labour Party Parliamentary Group for Nepal. I have been an observer in the meeting today, and the first thing that I want to say to you is the G10 did a great job in that meeting, making your case in the strongest of terms. So I was very impressed with the way they made the case, and actually I think they landed all of the key points. It was also great to have the Foreign Minister from Nepal on the call, and he gave a great, very eloquent speech outlining from Nepal's perspective why the government need this to be solved. So I think that was a really great addition to the conversation, and I think that was real progress. I think obviously everyone wanted to solve this today. The minister, my observation as a neutral person, so if I am standing here as somebody who has looked at how the government is doing on these issues. Since Minister Sandra Jones has come into the job to be the minister, we have made huge progress. We are now having regular meetings. It is very clear from that meeting, these issues are being taken incredibly seriously. That we had a general from the army in the room today, who the Minister Sandra Jones has appointed to be in charge of sorting out these issues. That is a real step forward. My experience of getting anything done in the MOD, you need a general in the room if you are serious about getting it solved. So that I take that as a really positive step. Unfortunately, there were some tech issues with getting the Defence Secretary to be able to speak. So there was some frustration with the tech situation, and we didn't hear from the Defence Secretary. But it has been committed that there will be a meeting with the Defence Secretary after this. So he is going to meet with veterans. So I think that is a positive thing. I think there is. I think the government heard loud and clear that the only thing that we care about is the affordable solution. That ultimately that is, they need to give their verdict on that. I'm now going back to Parliament. I will go and speak to the Minister and the Ministry of Defence team privately, and I will continue to put pressure on them, to get a date in the diary to solve this. So whilst I know this is a huge frustration that we haven't solved this today, I actually have taken quite a lot of positives from that meeting. We are moving in the right direction, and I will be with you. I will stand with you until we have solved these issues. Thank you very much for being here, and I hope that was a useful update.
Thank you very much, Alex.
Good to see you. Thank you. Good to see you. Let me take that out.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Alex Baker चाहिँ Aldershot of Farnborough को MP हुनुहुन्छ. यो उहाँ चाहिँ all parties parliamentary committee को चाहिँ chairperson पनि हुनुहुन्छ क्या. उहाँले चाहिँ गर्दाखेरि नै अहिलेसम्म जति प्रोग्रेस भएको छ हाम्रो वार्तामा त्यतिको प्रोग्रेसिभ हुनमा चाहिँ उहाँको पनि ठुलो रोल छ भन्ने ठान्दछु म चाहिँ व्यक्तिगत रूपमा. अनि उहाँले के भन्नुभयो भने ग्रुप 10 ले एकदमै राम्रो सबुत दिएर कुरा गर्यो आज, जसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ नि यो कुरा चाहिँ एकदमै सिरियस तरिकाले चाहिँ लिनु भएको छ. जहाँ उपस्थित हुनुभएको मन्त्रीहरूले, सचिवहरूले र एमओडी को चाहिँ रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ्सहरूले चाहिँ एकदमै सिरियसली लिएको चाहिँ कुरा अनुभूति भयो भनेर भन्नुभएको छ. र एकजना जेनरल पनि आउनु भएको थियो. जेनरल साहबलाई चाहिँ सम्भवतः यो पहिलो पटक होला जेनरल साहबलाई चाहिँ इन्भल्भ गराउनु भएको. अनि जेनरल साहबलाई पनि टास्किङ गर्नु भएको छ मिटिङमा हुँदा नै यो समस्या चाहिँ राम्ररी चाहिँ छानबिन गर्नुपर्छ र चाहिँ यसको चाहिँ एउटा निर्क्युल निकाल्नु पर्छ भनेर चाहिँ टास्किङ भएको कुरा पनि उहाँले बताउनु भयो. अर्को कुरा हामीहरूको गुनासो चाहिँ नि अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ G10 भित्रको चाहिँ युनिटी नभएर समस्या भएको हो कि भन्ने पनि थियो. उहाँ स्वयंले भनेर जान्नु भएको छ. ग्रुप 10 ले चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो चाहिँ एफोर्ट दिएर कुरा गरेको चाहिँ कुरा छर्लङ्ग बनाएर जानुभयो. अर्को गुनासो चाहिँ हाम्रो के थियो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एउटा परम्परागत रूपमै नेपाल सरकारले गोर्खा इस्युजलाई चाहिँ त्यति गम्भीरतापूर्वक नलिएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि पनि हामीलाई चाहिँ मार परेको भन्ने चाहिँ हाम्रो गुनासो थियो। र यति बेला बिहान माननीय शिशिर खनालज्यू परराष्ट्र मन्त्री, नेपालको परराष्ट्र मन्त्री हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँ चाहिँ जुममा चाहिँ जोडिनु भएको थियो। उहाँले चाहिँ नेपालको स्ट्यान्ड, नेपालको अडान गोर्खा इस्युजको बारेमा उहाँ गम्भीरतापूर्वक चाहिँ कुरा राख्नुभएको छ। यो सल्भ हुनुपर्छ, जतिसक्दो छिटो चाहिँ सल्भ हुनुपर्छ भनेर उहाँले नेपाल सरकारको तर्फबाट अडान लिएको कुरा पनि उहाँले बताएर जानुभएको छ। अन्तमा उहाँ जाने बेला के भन्नुभयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ जति अहिले वार्तामा हुनुहुन्थ्यो पार्लिमेन्ट्री कमिटीको मान्छेहरू, मन्त्रीज्यूहरू र वार्ता कमिटीको तर्फबाट चाहिँ जो आउनुभएको थियो उहाँहरूसँग फेरि फर्केर गएर म कुरा गर्छु, म पार्लिमेन्टमै गएर चाहिँ कुरा गर्दैछु अब गएर भनेर भन्नुभएको छ। कुरा एकदमै सकारात्मक छ, तर समय अलिकति लाग्छ होला भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ छ। उहाँले प्राइभेटली कुरा गर्नु हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ जुलाईको आखिरी यो रिसेस लाग्नुभन्दा पहिला यो छुट्टी के अरे लाग्छ नि जुलाईमा एउटा बच्चाहरूको समर लिभ, समर भेकेसन सुरु हुनुभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ सल्भ हुनुपर्छ भन्ने तरिकाले चाहिँ कुरा राखेको छु भनेर भन्नुभएको छ है। तपाईहरु खुसी हुनुहुन्छ? थ्याङ्क यू।